Good morning, children. Today we will write ag words. But before writing, keep in mind you have to join all the letters with a tail. Now let's start writing. Here this is a and g. You have to join a and g. Look, you will write a, take out the tail, and then you will join g with a. This is how you have to write ag. Now next word is bag. So what is bag? Bag is something which is used to carry things when we go for shopping. You carry bag when you come to school, you keep your books in it. Yes, that is bag. Now look here how you have to write bag. First we will write b, then we will write a, and then we have to join g with a tail. Yes, this is the way we have to write bag. Now look here how we will have to draw the bag. First we will make a rectangle. Then we can make the buckles and the handle. This is how we have to draw bag. Now next word is rag. Now what is rag? Rag is a small piece of old cloth. Okay, something which we use for cleaning purpose. Something which is very old and torn. So look here how you have to write rag. R. Then you have to join a with r, and then we will join g with a tail. This is the way you have to write rag. So here we can make a piece of cloth, any shape you can draw, a rectangle or a square, and then you can just draw these lines. This shows that it is a torn cloth. It's an old one. Now next is tag. So how you have to write tag? Write t, take out the tail, then a will join the tail, and again you have to take out the tail of a, and here g will join, and you will leave g here only. You will not take it up. Fine? Now tag. Tag is a label which is attached to something which is new. Okay, so when mama and papa buy something new, you always find a tag on it. Here, look how I am drawing a tag. One line, and then you can make a V shape here, a circle and a round. This is a tag, and on tag we find the price of that thing. So it is a 10 rupee tag. Now last word is bag. Now look carefully how we have to write bag. So here we will write W, take out the tail, then a will join with it, and then g. This is wag. So wag means to shake or to move from side to side. Have you seen a dog? When dog feels happy, it starts wagging its tail. So look here, now we will make a dog. We will make a small circle, then a bigger circle, then a tail. Okay, the nose, ear, the eyes, two legs here, because we cannot see the other two legs here, and you can put these marks. This means the dog is wagging the tail. So this is how you have to write. Now let's read these words. So we will read ag words. Ag words. First word is bag. Bag. Bag is something in which we carry things. Bag. Next word is rag. R-A-G. Rag. Rag are the clothes which are very old and torn. And what mama do with them? Mama use these rag for cleaning and for dusting. Now, next is tag. Tag. We find tag on new items. Something which is new, we find a tag on it. Last word is wag. Wag. Wag means to move up and down or to move from side to side. So whenever a dog, it feels happy, it starts wagging its tail. So keep on reading. Till then, bye.